Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use Office shapes to create art. As well, I use Office shapes in presentations. Today I'm going to show you how to make an attention-grabbing dot animation for your PowerPoint slide. This one here. So let's begin. Okay, so I'm just going to move this one out of the way. To create the animation, go into Insert, Shapes, and you select your object. In this case, it's going to be a circle. And I can make this one red. So we go Shape Format, Shape Fill, choose dark red, no outline, and I'm going to make this 1.3 centimeters using these drop downs. So now I'm going to create another circle. Insert Shapes, I'm going to go Shape Fill. In this case it could be white or it could be no fill. I'll make it no fill. Shape Outline. In this case it's going to be red, dark red. And then for the weight, we're going to make it 3. And then go Shape Format. And for the size, let's make it 1.6. Okay. And we're not going to group it. I'm just going to put it here. This one into the center, like so. So the next step, we need to animate the center dot. So you click on it, go to Animation, and we're going to select under Entrance, Shape. Once we create the animation entrance, it'll populate this animation pane. And if you don't see the animation pane, you go to Animation and click on Animation Pane. So Animation, Animation Pane. So now that we have our animation for the middle dot here, open it, go Start with Previous. That's what you use because we want it to automatically start. And then go into Timing. And for the delay, leave it at 0. For the duration, I'm using 3 seconds. And then to repeat, so you want 5 loops and then it'll stop. Okay. As you can see, it's already working. Go into the preview slideshow. You'll go once, twice, 3, 4, 5, and now it stops. Now, of course, you can do the same thing with a triangle or square. It doesn't matter. So let's quickly do a square. And I'm going to do the same thing. This one's going to be, let's say, 1.3. And for this particular color, we'll leave it as, let's just make it sky blue. And then go Shape Outline, no outline. And then you can copy it, just move it over here. And this one I'm going to delete. Okay. Move this one here now. Go Insert, Shapes, And then this will be shape format 1.6, like so. Shape outline, it'll be a weight of 3. Shape fill, no fill. And then for the color of the outline, I'm going to choose blue, sky blue again. And then you can just move it over top like so. And maybe even a little bit closer. Just select both of these. And I don't group them, I just leave them like they are. And select the center one, animation, entrance. Then you want the shape. Okay. Now you go here to your animation pane, and again you change it to start with previous, and then go into timing, 0 delay, duration I want 3 seconds, repeat. In this case I'm going to say until next click, so it just continues in an infinite loop. So I'm going to go OK. Then you're going to go here, and now you've got your square being formed like so. It's kind of more unique than this circle, but doesn't matter what shapes you use. You can use a octagon, diamond, whatever works for you, for your presentation. So this is part 4 of great presentations. I'm going to continue with more parts to it. So if you'd like to subscribe, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.